Let's review teen registration process on OSSG portal. Please go to OSSG portal and scroll down till you will find click here for your tax identification number from JTB. Click on it. It will move to a page where you can search for non-corporate as well as corporate. Let's review the process with existing details. First of all, you need to here provide full name of non-corporate. Then here you need to provide email of non-corporate and then phone number of that non-corporate. After providing all these details, you need to click on I am not a robot to mark that you are not a robot. After all these, you need to click here search button. It will process all the details which are provided and show us the result. Here it is showing one result found. It means the detail which you have provided is exist on OSSG portal. Now by clicking on this button, it will send email with all the details related to this non-corporate with TIN number. Now let's review the same process for different users. Suppose let's check for Dimple. After adding full name, you need to write email and then phone number of Dimple which is associated with her. The same process you need to click here I am not a robot and then you need to click on search. It will process the provided detail and shows us the result. Here it is showing a different results like multiple results was found, so please contact admin to resolve this. It means the details which you provided is having multiple results on ERP. So for resolving this issue, you need to contact admin of OSSG. Let's now check for different users. Provide full name of that user, then email ID of that user, mohit.simarix@gmail.com, then phone number of these non-corporate. Then again same way you need to click on I am not a robot and then click on search. Here it is processing using the provided non-corporate related details. Here it is showing a different message like profile not found, and it is saying that do you want to register as new taxpayer. If you want to register as a new taxpayer, then you need to click on yes, or else you can click on no to refuse this process. Let's see a registration process. Click on yes. After clicking on yes, it will process the email address which you have provided and it will send hash code on email which you have provided. So here you need to click on OK and you need to provide here email hash code which you got in your email address. Now after providing email verification code, you need to click on next. It will process the verification code and move to you next screen of verify email. verify phone. Here you need to select code for your mobile number which you have provided for non-corporate. Suppose it's India plus 91, and then you need to miss call on any of the below number which are provided here to be phone verification. If you miss call on that number, then the phone verification app which is installed on this mobile number will phone verify for your call, and then you need to click on this button to make sure for your missed call your phone call is successfully processed, and it's shown you next button. For moving to next process, here you will see that the next process is providing the profile detail. You need to provide profile related detail for your non-corporate, like first name, last name, then nationality, then male or female, then here Mr. or Mrs. or anything else which relate to your profile, and then you need to select date of birth for non-corporate for which you are providing the details. Now you have provided all the details for these non-corporate, and you need to click on next button to process all these details. Once all the details will be processed, it will move to next step of address location. Here you can search address location from this drop down if it is already provided. You can search address location using this as well. You can select the preferred location and click on add address. It will add address on here. You can add multiple addresses as well, like if you do not get your address from this drop down, then you can click on any of these and provide location name here, like Mohit House, and then you can click on add address. The address which you have added are shown at below. We have added here 2 addresses, so it is showing 2 addresses with remove button. You can remove the address which you have added here, and then finally you can click on submit button to process your address location. Here it will add all the addresses which you have added in OSSG, and then by doing all these steps, the registration process for non-corporate is successfully created, and after that it will send all the details of non-corporate into your email address and showing this message. You need to click on OK button. After that it will move to OSSG portal, and if you check your email address, then you will see non-corporate details form with a PDF file which is showing all the details using JTB TIN as well. This is the whole process of TIN generation from OSSG portal.